Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Tesla Model S. First, locate the 12-volt battery in the front trunk, also known as the frunk. You will need a separate 12-volt power source, like a jump pack or another vehicle. Ensure you have proper jump cables ready. Connecting them correctly is crucial to avoid any damage to your vehicle's electrical system. To begin, open the front trunk of your Tesla. Inside, on the passenger side, you will see a plastic cover. Carefully remove this cover to reveal the 12-volt battery. This battery powers the vehicle's low-voltage systems and is essential for starting the car. Take care not to damage any surrounding components. Now, connect the red positive cable to the Tesla's positive 12-volt terminal. Then, attach the black negative cable to the Tesla's negative 12-volt terminal. Next, connect the other end of the positive cable to the positive terminal of your donor vehicle or jump pack. Finally, connect the remaining negative cable to the donor's negative terminal. Once the cables are securely connected, turn on the donor vehicle or activate your jump pack. Allow a few minutes for the Tesla's 12-volt battery to receive a charge. After this brief charging period, attempt to start your Tesla. Once it starts, carefully remove the jump cables in the reverse order of connection, starting with the negative cables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.